Aoife? Wait, who's Aoife?
Aoife. Her real name's Aoife.
Mel has a sister called Aoife?
And they have another one called Anna, and they have a brother named Carrot.
Okay, I know that. I didn't know it's Aoife.
She's in grade 5.
There's way too many kids, man. So many siblings.
Oh, you're spitting on me.
Wait, what does that smell? What? What is it? Ooh. Ooh. Mister, did you fart? Kind of smells good now.
Not Kyle. It's Kyle.
Oh wait, that is. I got a little more head.
Okay, on your shoulder, so my face. I'm gonna say, it's Shaggy.
Wait, I shouldn't have. Guys, I shouldn't have worn this hat.
He's looking right at you. He looks depressed at me.
He does kind of look depressed in there.
He's side-eyeing. Yeah, he knows it's you. He knows it's you. Why are you worried?
Yo, what's up?
Shaylan, it's
Bro, Kyle's laughing. Oh, wait.
Merry Christmas, guys. You can split them up.
Oh, yeah. Split him up. Give me one. Honestly, waving at me. Wait, why are Kyle and Shaylan the same farm? He does look very depressed.
Actually, against you too. Imagine he watches this video.
He will. That's the thing. He will watch this video. I don't want him to. Yeah?
It's broomball. Who plays broomball?
That's broomball.
Well, it's some people who are doing broomball.
Oh yeah, I know Shaylan does broomball. That's the only sport she does. Technically, right now, you guys have never done a sport. I like karate. Yeah, okay, not mono. Oh, I want to have that fire right now. What is this? I've not left. This is an insurance company?
Yeah, you're so soft. You know, it's just...
So it's so worth it.
Nobody wants to be in a camp.
Did you guys not get a candy cane? Exactly. Versus BMO. No, I'm backing up because I don't want to record the kids. I can't record kids, bro. That's bad. No, I went like this. I went like this. Oh, bro, this is bad. This is bad. This is bad school.